Annyeonghaseyo! Welcome once again to Hello Taekwondo. I'm Master Daniel Clark here at Tequila Family Sports, and today we're going to learn another form. But before we learn more about Taekwondo, we gotta warm up our bodies. So get off that chair, let's move around, okay? Ready? Let's go ahead and have our feet apart just like this, and let's hop up and down, getting those legs, those ankles, everything moving. All right, good, good, good. All right, and what we're gonna do is when I say turn, you're gonna turn the same way I turn. You ready? Here we go. And turn. Good. All right, keep moving. And front. Good. Make sure you face the front when I say front. And turn. Try to face the same exact way I'm facing. Okay, ready? And front. Good, good, good. And turn. Awesome, awesome. And front. Good, keep moving. Turn. All right, let's go a little bit faster. Front. Turn. Good. Make sure you're facing this way. Front. Turn. Front. Turn. Good. And front. Turn. Now when I say switch, switch to the other side. Ready? Switch. So you're facing the other way now. Here we go again. And switch. Good. Switch. Switch. Front. All right, and stop. Let's go ahead and run in place. When you run in place, get your knees up, okay? I don't want you to see you running like this. All right, really get moving. It feels good to get moving around. Helps wake you up. Get those knees up and run. Awesome. Let's do the same thing. When I say turn, you're gonna face the same exact way I'm facing. Ready, turn. Good, good, good. And front. Awesome. Turn. Front. Awesome. Turn. This way. Good. Front. Turn. This way. Front. Turn. And front. Good. And stop. Whew. All right. Now that our blood is flowing, let's warm up those arms because we're going to use our arms a lot today. Arms out, and let's make big, good circles. Okay, just like that. Doesn't have to be super duper fast or anything. Just has to be nice and flowing. So that way you get your arms, your shoulders all warmed up. Okay, you want to pay close attention to your arms going behind you. You want to get flexible arms. So to do that, you just make sure you go all the way back as you can. When you're going up, really squeeze those shoulder blades together, up and around, just like that, okay? This is especially important because a lot of the times we're sitting down and we're like this. So our shoulders might be really tight here. So doing stretches that open up is really good and you'll feel a lot better. So it's more than just with Taekwondo, it helps with everyday life, and that's what I like about martial arts. It can help you with anything. Well, most anything. It can't help you with your math homework. All right, here we go. Other side, backwards. All right, good. Remember on the backstroke, squeeze those shoulder blades. Good shoulder flexibility. Feel good. Breathe. If you stop breathing, that's not good. Keep going. All right, and stop. Ready? Arms out. Let's do some torso twists. Move your body left to right. Nice and easy. Be nice to your back. You don't want to destroy your back. You need that. It keeps you up. So, be very nice. Turn left and right. Get that torso nice and ready to move. All right. Looking good. Okay. Let's go ahead and get into our horse stance. So, as a reminder, with our horse stance, first I'll say chirip, and that means attention. You're going kunye, it means bow. like this, okay? And we do this because this is a very traditional way to warm up and drill. You're gonna take this leg up, this arm up, step out, very big, very wide, feet apart, legs bend, okay? Again, this is a very stable stance. It helps you keep your balance really well and sink into the ground. You don't want your legs to be straight and you don't want your feet to be in too close, okay? Also, it makes you sure your legs are nice and strong, okay? You want to have strong legs, right? Of course you do. Yeah. So, bend those legs. Let's go ahead, have one hand out. Every time I count, you're going to do one punch. Here we go. And hana, do, set, net, tasso, yoso, yuga, yodo, ahop, and yo. And give me a loud kiap. That means shout. Show me your fighting energy. Oh yeah. All right. Cool. Let's go ahead and practice some of our blocks. So keep those legs bent. Keep warming them up. All right. You're going to do a high block. Okay. If you don't know high block, make sure to check out our previous episodes where I explain a little bit more in detail how to do a high block. Okay. So, but for everyone else, or if you think you can learn pretty quickly, you're just going to bring that hand up, straight up, while this hand pulls back. Let's do 10 of them. Here we go. Hana, do, set, net, tasso, yoso, yuga, yodo, ahop, and yo. Oh yeah. So remember, yo means 10, and usually we're going to give a loud kiap, a shout. Okay, to show how excited we are, right? Okay, next, let's do inside block. So stay in that horse stance, strong legs. Inside block, you want your hand out here and across your body, just like that. Here we go. And hana, do, set, net, tasso, yoso, yuga, yodo, ahop, and yo. Yeah. Awesome, awesome. Okay, let's do one last block. We're going to do down block. So once again, this one's pretty tricky. Check out our previous episodes, but basically you put one hand on your shoulder and go down while the other hand comes back. Let's do 10 of them. Here we go. And hana, do, set, net, tasso, yoso, yuga, yodo, ahop, and yo. Yeah. And butto. That means stop, return to ready, hands right here, down to our side, and kunye. Good. One thing I really want to talk about before we end is, you notice when I was doing my blocks, I was trying to throw them pretty hard. Okay? That's because I want to make sure that I keep working on my strength and my speed, right? If you're practicing at home, and if you're practicing like this, okay, and that's okay if you're learning. If you want to do it slow and learn, that's awesome. But if you get used to it, and you keep practicing like this though, you're not going to improve. So whether you're practicing Taekwondo, or at school, or practicing any kind of skill, when you learn it, you need to try to improve by pushing yourself, okay? You want to try to aim for the stars and reach your goals. If you just practice the same exact way over and over again, you're not going to improve. So for those of you who are at home, if you got it down really well, I challenge you to see how low you can get into your horse stance and how fast and how hard you can throw your blocks or your punches, okay? And so don't forget to push yourself and reach for your goals. All right, 감사합니다. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next segment. Hey there! Really quick tip that I want to give you guys. So you might want to know how to get power out of your kicks. And most people think that power comes from here, and you gotta kick really hard. But you can only do so much from this point. The power actually comes from the ground. So you're going to want to try to push off the ground as fast as you can to make sure you get a lot of power. So we're gonna try a front kick, and what I want you to do is a little bit of a drill that will help you train to feel this foot coming up off the ground as hard as you can. So I want you to practice doing 3 times pushing off the ground, 1, 2, 3, and then the last one, throwing a kick, okay? So just like this, 1, 2, 3, boom. All right, if you practice that a couple times, you'll notice that your kicks will be a lot faster and a lot stronger. Okay, hope that helps. We'll see you in the next segment.